Think walking is the absolute safest, easiest way to stay in shape after 50? What if I told you that your daily stroll might be secretly destroying your joints, ruining your posture, and entirely sabotaging your health? Are you absolutely sure you're doing it right? Today, we are breaking down the critical walking mistakes that are doing you more harm than good. Ask yourself, how many of these are you guilty of right now? Let's find out. Mistake 1. The fast and the furious. Are you blasting out your front door at top speed the second you start your walk? Do you realize that your muscles and joints are cold and stiff? When you skip a slow 3 to 5 minute warm-up pace, aren't you just begging for joint pain and extreme muscle fatigue? Why not give your body a few minutes to wake up, get the blood pumping, and naturally lubricate those joints before you shift into high gear? Mistake number 2. The slouch. Moving on to number 2, have you caught a reflection of yourself walking lately? Are your shoulders slumped, your back hunched, and your eyes glued to the pavement? Did you know that this poor posture is physically crushing your lungs and restricting your oxygen? How can you expect to build stamina when you can barely take a deep breath? Next time you walk, why not pretend there's an invisible string pulling your head straight up toward the sky? Doesn't that feel better on your neck and lower back already? Mistake number 3, the sneaker situation. Now, let's look at your feet. Mistake number 3, what exactly are you wearing on them right now? Are you still marching around in those flat, beat-up sneakers from 5 years ago? Do you think those worn-out soles are absorbing any of the impact when your foot strikes the concrete? Without proper cushioning, arch support, and flexibility, aren't you just sending shock waves straight up into your knees and hips? Isn't it time you treated your feet to a proper pair of walking shoes? Mistake number 4, the weekend warrior. Here is mistake number 4. Are you a weekend warrior? Do you think taking one massive, exhausting walk on Saturday completely makes up for sitting on the couch all week? Have you considered that the human body craves consistency, not sudden, extreme stress? Wouldn't you get significantly better cardiovascular benefits, stronger muscles, and more energy if you committed to just 20 or 30 minutes a day most days of the week? Mistake number 5, the soldier stride. Mistake number 5, are your arms pinned to your sides like a soldier standing at attention? Why are you leaving half of your body out of the workout? Did you know that by not letting your arms swing naturally with a slight bend in your elbows, you are missing out on burning extra calories and building upper body engagement? Why not let your arms dictate a healthy, natural rhythm for your legs to follow? Number 6 is a modern epidemic. Can you go 20 minutes without looking at a screen? Are you constantly texting, scrolling, or checking emails while you walk? Don't you realize that dropping your head to look at your phone puts immense, unnatural pressure on your cervical spine? Plus, are you really willing to risk a nasty fall on the sidewalk just to read a text message? Why not put the phone in your pocket and actually connect with the environment around you? And finally, mistake number 7, the couch crash. And finally, mistake number 7, what happens the second you get back home? Do you just crash onto the couch? Where's your glass of water? Where's your cool-down stretch? Don't you know that skipping recovery is the fastest way to wake up stiff and sore the next day? Are you giving your muscles the hydration and light stretching they desperately need to repair and grow stronger? Walking after 50 should be your superpower, not your downfall. So, be honest with me. Which of these 7 mistakes did you realize you're making today? Are you ready to fix your stride tomorrow? Let me know down in the comments right now. And if you found this helpful, why haven't you hit that subscribe button yet? Keep moving, keep questioning, and I'll see you in the next video.